How to connect GoDaddy domain to Microsoft 365. First thing that you want to do is to check if you have a Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have one yet, you can just create your email account by following these steps. Signing in to your email and Office dashboard using your GoDaddy username and password. Then manage, continue, and after that you will receive an existing email notice. You just select continue to create a new Microsoft 365 email and switch accounts. Complete the process on creating the new email account form. And take note to share contacts and files with another domain. Both domains must have 365 accounts. After that, select create. You'll get a message then that your password is being updated. Select continue, and it may take a few minutes for your account to be set up. Then once you're done, the next step that you want to do is switching your domain's email service. Next, you'll need to activate your account and switch to Microsoft 365. First is to look for an email from GoDaddy inviting you to please activate your Microsoft 365 account. Select Get Started. In the Email and Office dashboard, you'll see a banner informing you that your new email account can't receive email yet. Select Let's Fix This. On the Ready to Switch page, select Yes. Switch now to confirm. Take note, it can take up to 48 hours to switch over your email. You will continue to receive email at your Workspace account until the switch is complete. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.